Good day everyone, Scx10 here with you. Welcome back. Another run. This is a run I'm looking forward to. Surprise addition to the RC family. I got a new Basecamp. It's true, it's right there on the rocks. But this Basecamp's a little different. I like to call this the Basecamp Pro. That's right folks, Axial Scx10 Pro. I went ahead and I got myself one. I found some electronics, I found some old tires, and I said, you know what, we're going. Now, anybody familiar with the those beautiful tires? Those, of course, see, I knew this was going to be a problem. The back of my truck is going to be in the way, but I'm going to fix that. The Basecamp has a new home, because I think every rock crawler should be somewhat ugly. Obviously going to be needing a bit of weight. But you can sure feel how good this thing is going to be, can't you? And I thought this is the perfect place to try it out. So guys, I did in fact go ahead and get myself the Pro, obviously, and it was a great decision on my part. I wasn't sure what I was going to do for it. I didn't think I was going to be running this early, because I wasn't going to bother with putting a motor in it until I, ordered something decent. But once I had it built, what are you going to do? So obviously this body is going to get heavily modified. I've already cut the front part of the arch out there, as you can see on the wheel wells. Keeping in mind, of course, these are all Wrangler tires from like back in 2012. I just happen to have them in my kit. I'm running a 65 turn RC four-wheel drive motor and an XL5 Traxxas ESC. Yes sir, we're going old school, but tell me this thing isn't running around here pretty good, despite these subpar parts I got on there. Now let's get somewhere interesting. So obviously the first run for the Basecamp Pro, very good build, relatively easy. You have to pay attention, of course, because it has a two-speed. What have I got? Overdrive is in this thing, and I think it's 4-to-1, possibly. I'll check that out. But right now we're in 1-to-1, so. I have the spot there for the servo, of course, to make this go into overdrive on a different channel. But just to get going here, we're going to go 1-to-1. So I want to get up here. See if I can force this around here. There we go. Right now I'm thinking of RC, Mark. I'm thinking of mainly RC. All these guys have some real great rock crawlers, whether it be the Gilliman or Gilliman, or the UB18, UTB18. Better tires, I'd be up there now. There it is. There it is. So I've got to trim some off the bottom of the body as well, by the looks of it. But climb, baby. Potential? Oh, 100%. So the body sags a little bit below the chassis there, so I'm going to want to do something about that. The back of this body is going to have to be shortened. Hope you're getting all this in frame. Oh yeah, baby. You go, climber. You go. So as much as this looks like a trail truck, it won't look like that for much longer. We did this just enough to get her on this chassis. Better tires, I'd be up there. All things being equal though, she's doing good. I've been wanting to climb this stuff for years. Get up there, baby. I know you can. All right, I'm in love again.